Okay, so this little video is about glitter snow. Glitter snow is actually a polyester film, but it doesn't have the coatings on it like an expensive polyester film. So basically it's not solvent resistant. What it is spectacularly beautiful. So here we go. Let me pull this back. I'm going to do a two-handed fist so you can see it. This is glitter snow. It's iridescent, it's white, and it's multi-flakes. So here's the close-up, if you can see it on my hand. See how it's a random cut? That catches a lot of light. So for you people who own retail stores, we sell hundreds and hundreds of pounds of this to retail stores because they put it in their store windows. But if you're a person who loves to decorate their house for Christmas and does little display scenes like, you know, like a nativity scene, or, you know, those little houses, or the little, you know, you make the little villages and stuff like that, and you want it to have a snow effect. So I just happen to have these handy. I'm sorry they're so pathetic. Ta-da! Okay, pretend like this is a cool scene in your house. Glitter snow can be used instead of that cheap, horrible stuff with no sparkle for that same effect. It can also be sprinkled over the items as well. And you can also make it deeper so it doesn't look like it just has a flat look. You can actually pile it up, and it piles up very nicely. It's not that expensive. You can find it in the craft glitter section of the website. And it sits like a light snow, like that stuff you've seen, like maybe if you've gone to train stores or something, you might have seen the model trains and so forth, that they have like the snow scenes. This is way better. This actually has a full iridescent sparkle to it. It has not a full rainbow, but like, let's say pastel rainbow, which is really, really rad. But if you're doing retail store windows or you're doing small scenes at home, I highly recommend glitter snow.